One of the things that I have found hardest to try and find plastic alternatives for has to be cleaning products. Every time I go into the supermarket, I have a look to see if they've got any alternative products, but everything is either made out of plastic or packaged in plastic. So last week when I was sent this goodie box by A Waste-Free World, I was super duper excited because in here are lots of plastic-free cleaning goodies. So what I'm gonna do today is open it up, show you all these items and give you an honest review on how they work. First product that we've got here are the Ocean Saver Eco Refill Pods. These are great because usually if you wanted to go out and buy an antibacterial spray, you'd have to buy a new plastic bottle every time. Also, the product is actually good for the ocean. A lot of the chemicals that you buy in cleaning products are so bad for marine life, whereas these have been tested and they don't have any bad impact whatsoever. So that's brilliant. Next, we have some compostable sponge cloths. These are made out of 70% plant cellulose and 30% cotton. And I've just spied trees planted for every pack sold. Isn't that great? Okay, these are the cutest little cleaning pads I've ever seen in my life. This is a biodegradable cleaning pad, handmade in Wales, and it's called Scrubbies. Feels wonderful. It's made out of 100% organic cotton, and I suppose I will just be scrubbing my plates in style with this. Last but not least, these bad boys, combined with the Ocean Saver pods, will make a fantastic plastic alternative to any of those classic plastic spray bottles that you might buy in the shops. So that is everything out of my box now. What I'm going to do is go away and actually try out these products and see just how well they work.
It was super easy to follow the instructions to set up the Ocean Saver bottle. All I had to do was take one of the capsules out, add it to some warm water, and hey presto, I had my spray. I also loved that they came with some nifty stickers which I could put onto the bottle to make sure that they'd be safe to keep in the house. The first thing I noticed when trying out the spray bottle and the Ocean Saver pods is just how good it smelt. When I was cleaning the surface, I had absolutely no trouble getting any small little bits of dirt or food off the surface. So that's a big thumbs up for the Ocean Saver pods. Next, I tried out the Scrubbies pad and absolutely loved this. I loved how I had a soft side and also a side that was a little bit more abrasive so I could get any tougher bits of food or grease off the plate. All in all, again, another thumbs up from me. If any of these products take your fancy, make sure to head over to the Waste-Free World website and put your order in today.